David. David. David, come.
Who are you? How do you know my name? How come you know me?
Your name is David Nwanafio.
Yes, that's my name. My name is David Nwanafio. Have we met before?
And from what I can see in the spirit, you used to be a very rich man about 5 to 6 months ago.
Yes, exactly. I used to be very rich. Just 5 months ago. I don't know what happened. Please talk to me. Who are you?
All of a sudden, everything you had went down to zero.
Hi. Everything I had, my shop, everything vanished into the thin air. I don't know what happened. Please help me.
Your father's name is Michael Nwanafio.
Hey! Yes, that is my father's name. My father's name is Michael Nwanafio. You are very correct.
And he died about 15 years ago.
Today made it the 15th year my father died. Exactly today is the 15th year. Please, who are you? Help me. Help my life, please.
Let me ask you, where is your mother?
My mother is at home.
Whatever I want to tell you now, your mother needs to be there to hear it. We need to see your mother. Take me to where your mother is.
Okay. Please, let's go. All right, let's go. Please, let's go. Mama.
Papa,
Mama. Yes, I met this guy on my way coming back, and he said so many things about me, which are very strange, but they are true. So he requested to see you. So I decided to bring him.
To see me?
Yes, he said he wants to see you.
David, this woman here is the source of your problem.
Hey, listen. I can take anything from you, but I wouldn't take your insult. How dare you say that my mother is the cause of my predicament? Are you alright? Please don't say that. Don't ever say that.
Me?
Imagine. Yes.
It's not predicament.
Mama, don't
it's only you now.
Mama, don't
You're my husband. You're my son. You're everything that I have. What are you saying?
Please.
You must reward this guy.
Please, I don't want to take
If you're looking for somebody to shine, not me and my son.
Madam, calm down. Your name is Chineye Nwanafio.
Mama, you can know me because everybody knows me. That mother.
You remember a young lady by name Cynthia?
Singing.
Cynthia. A lady that came to your shop to buy something about 6 months ago.
Cynthia is not far.
Do you know Cynthia?
Cynthia. So I want to start going. Thank you. Hey, Mama. Please, just manage this one.
I'm going to tell you.
Mama, don't worry. Don't bring any change. Just hold it. hold the change, hold everything.
I should keep the change.
It's for you. You have been so good to me now. So just keep everything.
Thank you.
Yes, man.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
God bless you.
You're welcome. Take care of yourself.
And you too.
Take good care of yourself.
Thank you.
Keep the change.
Oh my dear. Thank you so much. God bless you.
I'll come again.
Oh my dear. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma.
Thank you.
Yes, ma.
Keep the change. What kind of keep the change is this? I will not keep the change, but I will keep you. I will keep you in one place. Since you want to show me that you have money, let me keep you in one place. Let me keep this. I'll keep this inside bottle. Let me keep her inside bottle. Again. Besides, I should keep the change. I should keep the change. I will keep the change and also keep you. I will not only keep the change, but I will keep anywhere that you are getting this money from. All your source of income. Any business that you are doing that is giving you this money that I want to brag about, I'm keeping you today. Nothing again in your life will move well. Every of your income, all your source of income, as I tell you now, let me see where you get another money to come and tell me to keep the change. Keep the change. Let me keep inside this bottle. It's like since I get a
David, do you remember a girl by name Cynthia that used to be your girlfriend about 6-7 months ago?
Yes, but we are no longer dating. I had a girlfriend, her name is Cynthia.
That is the same Cynthia that came to buy something in her shop. After she finished buying something in your shop, she was happy with the conversation that you had with her. And that conversation made her to tell you to keep the change. Instead of you to be happy and tell her thank you for the money that she gave to you, you decided to use an evil heart. You cost that money, placed it in a bottle, and your words were, wherever this money comes from, it is going to be locked down. You cursed her and told her that wherever her source of income was coming from, that it was going to be shut down. Her source of income was from your son. You remember very well that everything she ever wanted, you were the one that was giving it to her. Because she had nobody.
Yes, I remember everything. I used to give her money because she don't have money. She don't even work. I took care of everything that concerns her. Are you trying to say that she was the same person my mother was dying inside a bottle?
That curse that your mother laid on her was what affected everything you had.
Mama,
so this is how you are.
I didn't know she was your girlfriend.
How would I know? Please.
How would I know myself?
Please, don't touch me. I said you should not touch me.
There is a solution. And that solution lies with your mother. Wherever she kept that bottle that she placed the money inside, tell her to bring it. When she brings it, break the bottle, and everything you lost will be transferred to you.
Okay, Mama, please, can you go and bring the bottle? Mama, go and bring the bottle now, please. Mommy, go and bring the bottle now.
My son.
Mama, talk to me now.
Do you remember that time that you told me to go to sit and visit you?
Yes.
When I was coming, I decided to take the bottle inside the stranger.
Hey! Mama, you have killed me. 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 Mama, you have given me. Mama, you have given me.
My son,
Mama, you have given me.
my son, not only you is a kid, I was a kid too. You see, I am a kid. My son, I'm a kid.